All right, let's take a look at a question about rate and proportional relationships. This is similar to the question that was asked of me. It works exactly the same way. So if you sent me this question, then just know that this one works just like it. It tells us right up at the top in 2022, Joe swam 50 meters in 48 seconds. Okay. We're supposed to find speeds that are greater than Joe's. Now, the student did say that answer choices, they're like, there could be more than one right answer on what she was doing. So I made this with potentially more than one right answer. So just know that. Now think about if we're finding a speed greater than Joe's, what is the part in that sentence at the top that doesn't matter, that does not have anything to do with that? It's the 2022. The year doesn't have anything to do with this problem, right? It doesn't matter that it was this 2022 as opposed to some other year. So let's just make sure we ignore that. It's not going to be helpful to us. So Joe swam 50 meters in 48 seconds. We see that we're looking at distance and time and speed. Speed's another word for rate of something. And so we know the distance formula is rate times time, right? So let's find Joe's rate. He went a distance of 50 meters. We don't know his rate, but we know his time was 48 seconds. So that's just like the equation. If it said 50 equals 48R, that probably looks more like what you're used to in an equation. But either way, you would divide by 48 on both sides, right? And so when we do that, let me pull that up on the calculator. 50 divided by 48 is 1.04 and so on. So let me write that down. So we have the rate is approximately 1.04. Okay, this is Joe. Joe's rate's a little more, little faster than 1 meter per second. Okay, so a speed that's greater than that, well, understand D equals T is just one of them. It's just flat one, right? Understood one there. That's not faster. So that's out. 0.9 is not faster. But 1.1, yep, it's a little bit more than 1.04, and 1.2 is as well. So we have two good answers here, B and D. All right. So focus on finding the speed and then thinking about which one makes sense, or which more than one answer makes sense for being a speed greater than that. All right. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.